Hi, this is Shahad Hussain from DevsDemy.com, and today in this video I'll show you how to install WordPress locally on your MacBook. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search localWP. Click on localwp.com. Click on download for free. Choose a platform. Your first name, last name, your organization type, I'll select other, your email, click on get it now. Okay, we have already downloaded this. Double click on it and drag to applications. That's it, we are good to go. Okay, now open apps and click on local. Click on open. Now we need to create our first website. Just click on create a new site. Click on continue. Our website name, we can here set our local site path. I'll keep it as it is. Click on continue. Okay, now we can choose our server, either Nginx or Apache. Here we also select our PHP version. I will use the latest one, and web server, database. Okay, click on continue. Username, I'll set the username and a strong password. Okay, if you want to run a multi-site, you can select yes. For now, I'll keep it no. Click on add site. I need to insert my MacBook password here. Just wait for a moment. Okay, we are good to go. Select one click admin, and we no longer need to insert our username and password again. Just open local WP and click on WP admin. It will redirect to our admin dashboard. Okay, this is our first website. Okay, DevsDemy.local. Okay, now we need to install another website. Just visit localWP, add another site, click on continue. DevsDemy 2, click on continue. Okay, I choose now preferred. Add site. Again, we need to insert MacBook password. Click on one click admin and visit WP admin. Okay, here is our another website, DevsDemy 2, our first website, DevsDemy. So we can run multiple websites on our local WP. We don't need any server, we don't need any hosting, we don't need any domain for this. This is for practice purpose, or you can build your client website or your personal website locally, and when you have done, you can purchase a domain hosting and migrate your local website online. HostingGrid is now offering up to 80% discount, and if you use my referral link, you will get extra 20% discount. So just click on devsdemy.link/hostinger and you will get extra 20% discount on top of HostingGrid 80% discount. This is a Black Friday deal and don't miss it. The price will be double in few days. Just click on claim deal, choose a plan, and you are getting a free .com or any domain with this package. You don't need to purchase a domain again. Just purchase this hosting pack and you will get a domain free. Click on continue. Okay, you need to register with your Google or GitHub account, or you can use your personal email account, and then just pay the bill and the hosting is yours. Now you can migrate your local website to the live online server. If you think this video is helpful, then please do like, comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you. See you on next video.